back to my channel. I am Dr. Ayushi Desai, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about limiting beliefs. Where do they come from? How can you overcome them? And how I overcame them, my own story as well. And how can you set new beliefs in place of those old beliefs? So, starting with my story, I was seeing a pattern of experiences that was repeating in my life. That, you know what, I felt that people are not listening to me. I needed to speak up in order for people to listen to me, and I just could not stop myself. I was taking myself too seriously. I could not take jokes on myself and stuff like that. So when I deeply introspected that where is this belief coming from, what is the root cause behind it, I realized it came from one of my childhood beliefs, that I needed to speak up in order for people to listen to me. I needed to speak loudly because my voice is so soft. Someone had told this to me that, you know what, Ayushi, your voice is so soft, so you need to speak in a louder way so that people can listen to you. And when I realized this belief was there, I instantly recognized that because of this belief, I even attracted certain experiences which confirmed this belief. One such event was that when I was in 5th or 6th grade, I was coming back home from school in my school bus, and I had a little argument with this guy because he was telling me that, Ayushi, you know what, you have not done your homework. And I was like, no, I have done my homework. And I knew he was teasing me. Still, I just could not take it on myself. And even though my bus stop was just about to come, I opened my bag, I opened the notebook, and I just showed it to him that, you know what, I have done my homework. Back then, I did not realize what I was doing because I was unaware of what was happening around me. But now I do realize that whatever I attracted was because of ingraining a negative belief about myself. I believed something which was not right about myself. I believed that, you know what, people will not listen to me if I did not speak up. But now I do realize that that was a negative belief. And when I did realize that, I simply turned it around. I simply made a new affirmation that if I felt that, you know what, people are not listening to me because of my soft voice, I changed it to people love listening to me when I speak in my own soft voice. Simple. I listed down the events which made me feel that, you know what, yes, people are listening to me. I really mentioned each and every time I felt that people are listening to me with this voice. For example, I felt that when I sing in front of people, in front of an audience, people are listening to me, and I do not need to scream or shout for that. I sing at my pitch in my own voice. Secondly, on YouTube, whenever I'm making videos, I know that people are listening to me. I know that I'm being heard. I do not need to scream or shout because of that. My voice is adequate just the way it is. So, little confirmations like this makes it stronger, makes my belief more stronger. So in order to shift your negative beliefs, any of your limiting beliefs, what you need to do is simply to identify by deep introspection that where is this coming from. Whenever you react to a particular situation, ask yourself, why am I having such a negative reaction? Where is this negative feeling or this trigger coming from? What event happened in my past that triggered it? So once you realize where that came from, you will instantly identify your limiting belief, that this came because of this experience. This experience made me feel like this. I felt that I was not loved or not appreciated or not understood or not accepted the way I was or not heard like me. So whatever that is, identify that. Once you identify your limiting belief, switch it to a new affirmation that you can believe easily and effortlessly. Like, people love me, I am appreciated and accepted just the way I am. Affirm it again and again. And to strengthen your beliefs, you need to find out more evidences that match your new beliefs. You need to ask the universe that show me new experiences that confirms my new belief. And you need to believe that, you know what, this can be possible. Even if you don't believe it 100%, just believe that this can be possible. This scenario is possible. People are attracting such relations or experiences, and so can I. I can also attract such conversations, such experiences, such relations where I am heard, where I am loved, I am accepted just the way I am. Simple. And remember, this is an act of self-love. So today, take the charge in your hands, identify your limiting beliefs, and create new affirmations and new beliefs for your own self. And it is time for you to evolve into the next, the better and the best version of yourself. So I hope you guys like this video for today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and in the comments below, write down your new affirmations that you are gonna follow from today. Write it like you own it. Write it like you own your new affirmation. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? And share this video with all your loved ones and with everyone that you think will find it helpful. See you guys in the next video. Till then, happy manifesting, guys.